Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cool Tool Tuesday. What we have here to have a look at is this Trammel set. Now, we've sold a few different Trammel sets before at Timbecon, and we still do sell these Trammel sets, but this one's a bit bigger than the rest of them. This is the 3-in-1 Trammel set with cutter. This guy is 9.14 long or 36 inch. Now in this kit, when you open it up, it'll have your 36 inch bar that you can clamp these little points onto, which hold either a point or a center, which will help you line it up and keep nice and straight as you're cutting. It comes with a pencil and also comes with a little cutter there. So you can actually cut out circles, cut out templates, mark your circles and templates. And there's two of these little pointed tips. So if you're ever having to do something like, say, scratch into a bit of metal, this can also help you. So if you're, say, a furniture maker and you're making round tables, this will let you mark them up anything up to 1800, which is quite a large table. The rule here has both imperial and metric measurements, and it's incredibly easy to set accurately. With the first end, the end that starts at 0, if you line up the end of the first bracket that mounts onto it with the end of the track there, then you'll be able to use this left-hand side of the other clamp as the guide, so you can actually read that on your scale. So right now, if we slide that over to 500, we line that up, we lock that in. Now when I drop that down and cut, I will get a 1000 diameter circle. It's that simple. Yeah, these come with an anodized alloy and brass knurled knobs there, so they look good, they work well, they clamp very, very well, there's no movement in those, and if you're needing to draw circles, something like this will be exactly what you need. To check out this Trammel set, the 3-in-1 Trammel set with cutter, or any of the other Trammel sets, click the link below and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next week.